be my y1, y2, x1, y2. And you see I put y2, it is x2. Y'all better catch those mistakes. So we have m equals y to 2 is 6 minus y to 1, which is 3. X to 2 is 4 minus 1. Okay, so we have here m equals 6 minus 3, which is 3. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So what is 3 over 3 equals? 1. Very good. And you know, some of you say, I don't want to use a table. Can I just, to show the difference like I always do with table? Yes, it's the same thing. It's okay. It's all okay. Get all the ratios. And all of your ratios will equals 1 when you simplify it. Okay? So here we go. So we have the slope. Now, let's choose a point and use the point slope formula. So what point? I want to use 4 and 6, or 6 and 4. 6 and 4. So I'm going to say, okay, m equals 1. The point that I'm using is 6, 4. Let's make sure, go back. The y is 6, the x is 4. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to use the point slope formula because I know the slope, and I have a point. I have many points, but I chose that point. So I have here y minus y to 1 equals m times x minus x of 1, using the point slope form. Okay, I hope somebody realized the other way you can do it. I'm doing it the long way, most definitely. Here we go. That's x1, y to 1. So I have here y minus 4 equals the slope is 1 times x minus 6. Bam. So I have here distribute, get rid of the parentheses. So I got y minus 4. What's 1 times anything? It's that thing back. It's that factor back. So the factor would be x minus 6. Okay. So now what am I going to do? Okay, yes. My fourth row. Both sides. Okay. You got the sum of a negative 4 and 4 is 0. So it cancels. Bring down your y. You have x is negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Okay. So I'm done. I got y equals x minus 2. Hey, I'm done with that one. So it seems like we're doing the same thing with these tables and the points. Because guess what? When they give me points and they give me tables are a list of points. So yes, you're doing the same thing. So what are you going to do? Pause the video and practice number 4. Very good. You guys are on fire. So let's go on. We have went through graphs. We have done it when we have found equations. Limit equation when they gave us 2 points and when they gave us a graph. When they gave us the slope and a point, and also when they gave us a table. Now let's do it when they give us a real world situation. Mike has been saving money for how long? 10 years. During his 2nd year, Mike had $1,500. And during his 8th year, Mike had $4,500. What equation would best fit this situation? So let me write these down. We're doing here years and money. So I got here time and dollars. Money. So, okay, I'm going to have to write during his 2nd year. During his 2nd year, he has 15. So we got 15. I put times. I'm going to put year. So when it say during his 2nd year, Mike had 1,500. So we'll put 1,500 there. And then it says during his 8th year, Mike had 4,500. So 8th year, 4,500. What equation best fit his situation? And he been saving money for 10 years. So you think that's a little extra? Yeah, I got my 2 points here. So what am I going to do? What you going to do? The same thing, guys. The same thing. So let's do the same thing. Here, these are my x value. Those is my y. So I found my slope first. So I got m equals 1,500 minus 4,500 all over 2 minus 8. You probably say, why did you do it that way? You want to put the 4,500 first and 8 first? Okay. And guess what happened? Just erase it. Okay. Erase because that's the second point. You're looking at this is x2, this y2. It really doesn't matter though. But I go with the flow because I got you. 4,500 minus 1,500. So we don't want to deal with no negative numbers. Feel you? 8 minus 2. So therefore, my slope would be 8 minus 2 is 6. 45 minus 15 is 30. Put your zeros. Okay? So here I have here my m equals 6 going to 30. 5 times, so 500. Okay? So I got my rate of change being $500. Okay? Per year. $500 per year, basically. Okay, so now I got a point. I got a slope and a point. So let's use the point slope formula. Hey. Okay, so what are you gonna write down? You may want to write it on the back or in your journal. Actually, you should do that. So let me say the slope is 500, and then the point that I'm going to use, I will use 2 and 1500. 2 and 1500. X, Y. Okay, this do the point slope formula like we were doing. So we're gonna say that y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x of 1. The y sub 1 is 1500. The slope is 500. X minus 2. Bam. Then I have here, let's get rid of the parenthesis first. So distribute the 500. I get 500x minus 1000. Okay. Then you add 1500 to both sides to get the y by itself. That cancels out. That leaves me with y equals 500x. Oh, 1500 is bigger, it's positive, so it's going to be plus 500. Okay. So there we go. We're done. Okay. So move on to the next one. Okay. We have here, oh, I don't do that. You do that. I was about to do, gosh, you almost got me. So we have that. We're done. Okay. So that's cool. Okay, you got it? So look, so this right here tells me, this right intercept, it tells me he started off with $500. Okay? And then each year he saved $500. So he started with $500, and each year he saved $500. So that's pretty good. Okay? So what do you need to do? Pause the video or stop it because this is the end because we're not doing this. It's been real. I enjoy you. I love you. I do what I do because of you. Love you. Warrior Rock. South GP 9th grade center with who? Mrs. Emanuel, the one and only unique lover of people.